Let's compare the AILKIN car charger against the LJO-E USB-C cable. So this is a charger for your Android device or other devices that use the USB-C connector. But you'll notice with the cable, you don't actually get the charger itself. It's a nice high quality cable, but you still need a charger to plug it into. With the AILKIN car charger, it's the opposite thing. So it is the charger. It plugs into the accessory socket in your car, creates two of these USB ports, but you don't get the cable. You need to supply the cable. So basically, they're like mirror images of each other. You get the cable but no charger, the charger but no cable. So what I would recommend is if you get both of them together, you can actually plug the cable directly into one of the ports on here, and then plug this into the accessory socket in your car, and you can charge up your Android or other USB-C device while you drive. So basically, two sides of the same thing. You've got the charger, no cable. You've got the cable, no charger. Combine the two together, though, that's the best possible combination. Of course, you can use the AILKIN with a different cable, and you can use this cable with a different charger, but I think combining them is a great way to approach it.